So, what's your name, sir? We should introduce yourself quickly.
Yes, I'm a product manager for Workspace Flows, and I'm going to give you a demo today.
Let's do it.
All right, here. So, workflows. You automate repetitive tasks over and over again, and what you want to do is streamline those processes.
Right.
Here, you can build a workflow, you choose a starter. You have a number of different triggers, everything from on a schedule, like every Monday at 7 a.m., do something. When I'm mentioning spaces, when someone joins space, when you get an email message, form response, so on and so forth.
Action-based triggers and time-based triggers, right?
Yes, that's right. That's
Okay,
right.
you got it.
In this case, let's pick a form. And you can say, hey, let's go ahead and pick a form from our drive. We have a, customer feedback form that's in this demo here. And when you plug that in, now you can go ahead and add steps. What we have here is you have the integrations with all your standard workspace, steps, calendar, chat. You have Gemini in here as well, Docs, Drive, Gmail, and more coming. Ask Gemini is really, really neat. And what this allows you to do is you can bring AI into your workflows. So in this case, you have a customer feedback response, right? Now you can say, hey, and then you can insert the content from the other steps above. So you can say, hey, take a look at the form responder, as well as the summary of the form response. Low priority.
So this is incredible. Not only can you automate the actual process itself, but you can add in AI as part of that to help you even further.
That's right. And what's kind of neat about this, you can have it search the web and find information from the internet. You can also have it tie into your workspace content. So for example, if you have a doc that's around guidelines, policies, whatever, you can just paste the link right into here and have it reference that as well. And then after that, of course, you can now do whatever you want. It's to kind of build your own path. You can post in the chat space with your sales team or support team. You could send an actual email as well, draft replies to emails, so on and so forth. So in this case, you can say, hey, let's go ahead and send an email to the form submitter. Let's say, read your feedback. And then, of course, you can go ahead and draft an appropriate email response. You could even have Gemini draft a response for you using your tone and policies again, and then insert that in here as well. So in this case, this won't make entire sense, but you can insert the content by Gemini, and then there you have it. You have a workflow that automates the whole thing.
I love it. So I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Google is also working on an incredible solution called Agent Space.
Yes, that's right.
This seems like there's some overlap or some areas that it does similar types of things. Can you talk about maybe why a company would pick one or the other?
Of course. So, Workspace, of course, we have our own audience, and in that case, we support and cater to all sorts of businesses, small to large. On the Agent Space side, they, of course, focus on agents, and they also focus on GCP customers and folks of that larger size.
Okay.
What's going to be neat as well is in the end, workflows will be connecting with Agent Space. So you can even call agents from Agent Space in the long run.
Amazing.
A lot of that's coming together, and I'm excited to see more.
So basically, workflows are going to be available at some point for every Workspace customer to use.
That's correct.
Outstanding. Wow, incredible. I love it. So, guys, listen up. This is the future of productivity with Google. This is going to absolutely change every single process in your business. You're going to be able to take whatever it is, marketing, sales, delivery, operations, any single process or workflow and fully automate it. Not only automate it, but use AI as well in the generation process. Absolutely incredible. Thank you so much.
Of course. Anytime.
Pleasure.